The easiest but also tasty way to cook a roasted cabbage. Take melted butter into a bowl, mustard, maple syrup, Worcestershire sauce, garlic powder, paprika, salt, pepper. Lightly mix everything. Into another bowl take chopped celery, carrots, onions, olive oil, herbs, salt, pepper and combine everything. Then drop them into a preheated pan. Add a whole cabbage into pan. Brush that pre-mixed sauce from before. Add vegetable broth. And cover it with aluminium foil for baking. Into a pan add butter. When melted add onions, mushrooms, oregano, rosemary, thyme, salt, pepper. Cook a little then add flour. Then add vegetable broth take into simmer. Take the cabbage out. Slice it into thick steaks and sprinkle some parsley. Look at that texture. Crispy on the outside, soft in the middle and full of smoky roasted flavor. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe.